Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 9, 2022. 3-star Sudoku. 7th grade. 3 numbers are remaining 1 to 9. Column F. 4th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. 4th row, 4 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 4 and 5. First grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 4. Column C, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column B and second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 7, 9. 5th row and 10th row, we have 9. 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, 5th row and 7th row, we have 4. 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Column E also we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row, column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, 4 numbers are remaining. 2, 4, 7, 6. Column I, we have 2, 4, 7. So 2, 4, 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column J, 8th row and 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column F, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column F, 5th row and 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column H, column I and 7th row, we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. then 6 is confirmed here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column B, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 6. Column J, we have 3 and 6, so 3 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column T, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4. Column I, we have 2 and 4, so 2 and 4 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Then only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 2 and 4 will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 2nd row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 1st grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. 2nd row, we already have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column J, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column J, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 6th row, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 2nd row, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 4th grade, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 6th row, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 6th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 5th row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.